To change the tooling cartridge on the Clipper 2, the first thing you're going to want to do is run the cartridge all the way down. Once it's down, you're going to loosen this 5mm bolt right here. I'm going to loosen it up really quickly. And then this plate's going to slide out of the way to release the clamp. I'm going to put this back in for now and then we'll run it down. So the clamp is, or the tool is all the way down. Going to loosen that 5mm Allen wrench or Allen bolt. Slide the plate out of the way. Grab the cartridge with two hands and pull straight up. While you're pulling up, it releases on the bottom first, and then you have more travel up on the top. Once you pull that up and you can take the cartridge out of the machine, you're going to lay it down on a flat surface, clamp it. Generally, you're going to want to try to clamp back here where my left hand is. There's a 50mm wrench that you'll put on the nut right here, loosen it up, and then the nut will come off to change out the punch tool. On the bottom side here, there's a small screw that will release the die block, the die from the die block. After you loosen the nut, turn it out and take the punch out, put your new one in, put your new die block or die in the die block. You're going to want to make sure it's lined up. Push forward on here and push it down so that the punch is inside of the die. And you can check your clearances, make sure you're where you need to be. Once that's okay, you can go ahead and put it back in the machine. Okay, when you go to put this back in, same thing in reverse. I like to set it in this channel first to get the angle right. Keep your hand on the tool. That's what you're gonna actually lift, because you need to get in the upper channel first, holding the tool at a 45. And then go ahead and just slide it down till it meets into that lower channel. You may have to pull the cartridge down just a little bit. And once you do, you can go ahead and guide it right in. From there, once the tool is back in position, you're going to slide the locking plate back over. And then you can take your 5mm Allen wrench, tighten the bolt. That secures the tool in position and your tool change is complete.